The Lost Puppy. Leo skipped along the sidewalk, holding his mom's hand tightly. The park was their favorite place to visit. Today, the sun shone brightly, making the grass sparkle and the swings creak happily. As they approached the playground, Leo spotted a tiny ball of fur huddled beneath a bench. It whimpered softly, its tail tucked between its legs. "Mommy, look!" Leo exclaimed, pointing towards the bench. Mom knelt down beside Leo. "Oh dear," she said gently, "it's a lost puppy." The puppy was a scruffy mix of brown and white, with big, sad eyes. It looked scared and alone. Leo's heart melted. "Can we take him home, Mom? Please," he begged. Mom stroked the puppy's head cautiously. "Let's see if he has a collar first," she said. They searched but found no collar. The puppy licked Mom's hand with a grateful wag of its tail. "We can't leave him here," Leo insisted. "He'll be scared by himself." Mom smiled at Leo's kind heart. "All right," she agreed, "but first, we need to find his owner." They spent the next hour asking other park visitors if they recognized the puppy. Unfortunately, no one knew where it belonged. As the sun began to set, Leo grew worried. "What if no one claims him, Mom?" Mom hugged Leo. "Don't worry, honey. If we can't find his owner, we'll take him to the animal shelter. They'll help him find a loving home." Just then, a frantic cry pierced the air. "Max! Max, where are you?" A young girl with tear-streaked cheeks ran towards them. In her arms, she held a red leash. "Is that your dog?" Mom asked, pointing to the puppy. The girl gasped. "Max! You're okay." She scooped the puppy into her arms, showering him with kisses. "Thank you so much for finding him," she exclaimed. "I was so worried." Leo felt a pang of sadness, but he was also happy the puppy was reunited with his owner. "We were just going to take him to the animal shelter if we couldn't find you," Mom explained. The girl hugged Max tightly. "Thank you. You saved the day." As the girl skipped away with her happy puppy, Leo knew he had done the right thing. He might not have a new pet, but he had helped a friend find its way home. The end.
Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow filled with colorful flowers, there lived a tiny ladybug named Lily. Lily was known for her cheerful personality and her love for adventure. One beautiful morning, as Lily was exploring the meadow, she met a wise old butterfly named Bella. Bella had traveled far and wide and had seen many wonders of the world. Intrigued by Bella's stories, Lily asked if she could join her on a journey to discover new places. Bella, impressed by Lily's enthusiasm, agreed to take her under her wing. Together, they embarked on a magical journey through fields, forests, and rivers, encountering fascinating creatures along the way. They met a friendly squirrel who showed them the best take on hiding spots, a playful rabbit who taught them how to hop through the grass with joy, and a wise owl who shared stories of the stars and the moon. As they traveled, Lily and Bella learned valuable lessons about friendship, courage, and the beauty of nature. They marveled at the shimmering rainbow after a summer rain, danced in the moonlight on warm summer nights, and sang songs with the birds at dawn. Their journey was not without challenges. They faced a storm that tested their resilience, a maze of tall grass that challenged their navigation skills, and a river crossing that required teamwork and trust. But through it all, Lily and Bella remained steadfast companions, supporting each other and cherishing every moment of their adventure. They discovered that the true magic was not just in the places they visited but in the bond they shared and the memories they created together. As they reached the end of their journey, Lily and Bella realized that home was not just a place but a feeling of warmth, love, and belonging. They returned to the sunny meadow, grateful for the experiences that had enriched their lives. And so, in the meadow filled with colorful flowers, Lily and Bella's friendship blossomed like the petals of a beautiful flower, a testament to the joy of exploration, discovery, and companionship. The end.